Hello, this is checkpoint 2.10 from section 2.2. They want us to evaluate the limit as x approaches 1, limit as x approaches 1 of f of x for the graph shown here, and we want to see if it exists. Let's see. Well, I don't know what these values are, so let's just give them temporary names. Let's call this one A and this one B. For example, that's the y value where those things could possibly go. There's a hole in one of them and not in the other one, which means if you put one in there, your outcome should be B. But we're taking limits, so that's a little bit different. And the way we're going to approach this, well, the way we're going to do this is we're going to take the limit coming from the left and then coming from the right. We'll take the limit as x approaches 1 from the left side, that negative 1 power, or that negative power here, negative sign for power, means it's coming from the left side. Let me rewrite this again so that it looks pretty distinct. This is the number 1, and there's a negative sign next to it, or as a power. All right. Now, if you're coming from the left, you're following, coming from the left side, and then you're going to hit this. Looks like it's going to land on A. And then we'll also take the limit as x approaches 1 from the positive side of the function. And from the positive side, as you get closer and closer to 1, you're going to follow this along, and then you're going to get a maximum height, or the height of B. Now, A and B clearly are not equal to each other. A does not equal to B. So then these two limits are not equal to each other. And if your limits are not equal to each other, then the limit doesn't exist. So since the limit as x approaches 1 from the left of the function does not equal to the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of this function, since this is not equal, then the limit itself as x approaches 1 of f of x does not exist. Does not exist. So this is does not exist. Okay. All right. I hope that helps.